the village where the spirit of the wind lives. A spirit of the wind lived in a quiet village. The name of this spirit is Ceres. She floated over the village and was responsible for carrying the peace and good luck of the villagers. However, Ceres had one secret. She was able to read human emotions and used her power to help people. One day, a traveler visited the village. His name is Rio. He was carrying a dark cloud, and there was a deep sadness lurking in his heart. Ceres heard Rio's inner voice and learned what his suffering was. It was the sadness of losing a loved one. To help him, Ceres made a star emit a special light in the night sky. The light of the star reached Rio's heart and had the power to heal him. However, the star was destined to disappear only when Rio could overcome his heartache and forgive him. Rio looked up at the star and felt something begin to change in the depths of his heart. He decided to overcome the sadness of the past and stayed in the village relying on the light of the star. As the days went by, Rio interacted with the villagers and gradually regained his smile. Ceres watched him grow up, occasionally blowing a gentle breeze and encouraging him. And finally, Rio healed the wounds in his heart and was able to cherish the memories with the ones he loved. At that moment, the stars emitted a particularly strong light and disappeared, drawing a beautiful trajectory in the night sky. Rio looked up at the star and held his gratitude in his heart. Ceres was also happy to see his growth and relieved that he had fulfilled his role. The wind flowed quietly again, and the village was filled with calm air. With Rio in mind, Ceres became the wind that protects the village and watched over the land forever. The end.